Mingnuo MN-E850FB is an electric enclosed high-power sweeper. Features dual fan, dual filter, and dual vibration filter system. Large filtration area, automatic filter vibration during operation. Gives you excellent cleaning results and high operational efficiency. Whether it's dust, sand, or stains, it handles effortlessly. Equipped with a 4 kilowatts high-pressure washing system, can quickly remove all types of dirt and grease. The mist cannon disperses water mist rapidly, covering a wider area, effectively reducing airborne dust and particles. 200-liter water tank minimizes the hassle of frequent refilling, ensuring long-duration operations. Fold back and locking design door provides coolness in summer and warmth in winter. Chassis formed with single stamping process, offering excellent load strength. Whether it's flat roads or rugged slopes, it operates easily. The driving system also features downhill speed control, anti-rollback, and electromagnetic brake system. Ensure stability and safety during operation. Over 1,900 millimeters, sweeping with 13,000 square meters per hour working efficiency. Whether cleaning large areas or narrow spaces, it handles it all. The Mingnuo MN-E850FB is an efficient, intelligent, and eco-friendly cleaning solution. Choose us and choose the perfect combination of cleanliness and efficiency.